guys, today I wanted to share a Swiss meringue buttercream, easy, delicious. So here we have eggs, sugar, salt, vanilla, and diced room temperature eggs. So one by one, we're separating the egg whites and putting this into a mixer bowl, and then we're gonna add in the sugar. We're gonna put this over a double boiler. So we are gonna making sure the bowl is not touching the water, and over medium heat let it boil while we mix and cook the egg whites and until the sugar dissolves. It takes about 3 minutes. So when you know it's done, when you go with your fingers and you won't feel the sugar, the graininess of it, that's when you know it's done, when it's all smooth. Putting our whisk, we are gonna beat this until it's all cooled off because it's hot. So about 20 minutes, it depends. If you have glass dish, it'll take more. So, and then once it whisks and you know it's at room temperature or like cooler, the bowl, we are gonna switch to paddle attachment, and one by one piece, we're gonna throw in our butter. So 1 cube at a time. Put in your paddle attachment, and one by one throw in your butter pieces. Make sure it's at room temperature butter. So once we do all that, in the end we are gonna put in our sea salt and vanilla, and then just let that combine until it's all creamy and smooth. If you're not gonna use this cream today, if you need it for tomorrow, the day after, you can refrigerate. As you can see, the cream is all done. Refrigerate and bring it back to room temperature. Rebeat it with a beater, and it's going to be wonderful and taste as great. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.